Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to back up your computer to back up all your files, My Documents, folders into the cloud, which is Google Drive. And all it takes is for you to have a Gmail account where you can back up all your important documents, like any kind of Word document or pictures, folders. And this will come in handy because if your computer crashes, then you won't have any kind of backup. So you want to avoid a disaster like that. So I'm using my personal Gmail account. I'm logged on and this is my Google Drive. Now on the right side, you're going to see this gear icon. Click on it and click on Get Drive for Desktop. You want to scroll down and you want to download Backup and Sync for individuals. Click on Download. Agree and download. Now this is the installation file that you need. When it's done, open. And it's downloading and installing. When installation is complete, click Close. Click on Get Started. Now you have to log back on. So I'm logging back on. Enter your password. Click on Got It, and it's going to be backing up your desktop, My Documents. If you have any pictures, it's going to do that. Also under photo and video upload size, you can select high quality or original quality. I leave it as original quality. And you have another option with Google Photos if you want to upload your photos and videos to Google Photos. Select Next. Click Got It, and it said sync my drive to this computer, and this is the location of the local folder that Google creates in order to back up to the cloud. It syncs from your computer to the cloud, and you can change that also. You can also select sync everything in my drive or sync only these folders. I'm going to say sync everything. You can select start, but if I go back, I can also choose a folder. So if I select folder, I can choose another folder. If it's on the C drive, I can choose another folder here. But I'm going to leave it as is. Select Next, Start, and it's starting to sync. And it creates an icon right on the taskbar. And it's starting to sync, as you can see. Need to. And as you can see, it creates an icon on the taskbar. And this is syncing. Now if you look in the Google Drive, on the left side you're going to say Computers. Click on the drop down menu, and as you can see, it backs up my files and folders. It creates a desktop, a documents folder, and a pictures folder. So it's already backing up, and it might take a while. It depends what kind of folders and documents you have on your computer. And if you look, Google creates like a green check mark to show you what's syncing. It does that on like folders and files. And it creates a local Google Drive folder here. And it creates Google creates a Google Drive folder here, and in this folder you can also place other files that you would like to back up. You can leave it in here and it will be backed up. And if you need to change back the preferences, you just need to right click and click on the three dots, click on preferences, and you can change up any kind of settings here. So when it is backed up, you can access all your folders and drives in another computer and another part of the country, or from your home or from your office. You can access those files, which is really convenient. If I go to Gmail, and log on, I click on my Google Drive, and as you can see on the left side, if you select computers and the drop down menu, my computer, all the files and folders are backed up. So that's about it. I thank you for watching.